क्या आप इंग्लिश का डर खत्म करना चाहते हैं और इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहते हैं? तो आज हम एक कहानी के जरिए इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। कहानी को अंत तक देखना और अच्छी लगे तो ब्रो अंग्रेजी बोल चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब कर दो, बाद में भूल जाओगे। हम यहाँ कहानियों की मदद से इंग्लिश को आसान तरीके से समझते और सीखते हैं।
The Yellow and Red. The air at the corner tea stall was thick with two things, the aroma of cardamom and the electric buzz of the upcoming IPL season. For Ram and Sham, best friends since they could walk, it was a season of friendly fire. Ram, draped in the proud yellow of Chennai Super Kings, and Sham, sporting the bold red and black of Royal Challengers Bangalore, sat at their usual table, the battle lines already drawn. "It's our year, Sham. I can feel it," Ram said, his voice filled with the unshakable faith of a true fan. Ruturaj Gaikwad is in sublime form. The way he finds the gaps, the sheer elegance of his shots. He's poetry in motion. He doesn't just score runs, he builds masterpieces. Sham let out a short laugh, a sound Ram knew all too well. Poetry doesn't win you T20 matches, my friend. Raw power does. And there is no greater power in cricket than Virat Kohli. When the king walks out to bat, the bowlers don't just see a batsman, they see a storm coming. A storm that often blows itself out before it reaches the shore. Ram countered, leaning forward. CSK is more than one player. We're a family, a unit. We have the experience, the calm head of Dhoni behind the stumps, and a strategy for every situation. We don't just play the game, we think it. "You call it thinking, I call it playing it safe," Sham retorted, setting his glass down. "RCB is about courage. We play an aggressive, fearless brand of cricket. We're not afraid to take risks to get the big rewards. That's the brand of champions." Their debate echoed through the small stall, a familiar symphony of player stats, memorable sixes, and heartbreaking dismissals. It was a language they both understood perfectly, a ritual that strengthened their bond even as they championed opposing sides. "Okay, Mr. Fearless," Ram said, a grin spreading across his face. "Talk is cheap. There's only one way to settle this, the big clash. CSK versus RCB. Saturday night. My house. Be there." Sham's eyes lit up. "You're on. But a match that big needs higher stakes than just bragging rights. We need a wager." "I'm all ears," Ram replied, leaning against the table. "Simple," Sham said, his voice dropping to a conspiratorial whisper. "When King Kohli's cover drive pierces your mastermind field setting for a boundary, you treat me to a large pizza with extra cheese." "Deal," Ram declared, shaking Sham's outstretched hand. "And when Ruturaj's elegant flick over square leg sails for a six, you're buying me ice cream for a week. May the best team win." They shook on it, their laughter mixing with the evening sounds. The jerseys were different colors, but the friendship underneath was solid gold.